Can you believe we're almost in June? And guys, the market is picking up. It's really exciting right now. The sellers are getting ready to list, or they're listed already. And the buyers, well, they're coming back. Things are moving. Our interest rates are stable. The spring is here and people are making moves. And this is what I love about the real estate business, the energy and the momentum and the excitement. But then I sat with a client yesterday and he told me something that has stopped me in my tracks, and I have not been able to get it out of my head ever since. And this is the reason why I do this job. Because while everyone else is getting ready to jump into the market, there's an entire generation of people who have no clue where to start. Now, it was about his mother-in-law. He loves her dearly and he's very concerned. She's only 71 years old and she's a widower. She lives alone in that family home that her and her husband bought. The problem is that she's not quite alone. Her son is living in the basement. He's 46 years old. He doesn't work and he doesn't contribute to the home. He just lives there. And she is going broke. Now, the house is worth almost $1 million, but she only, with her line of credit of $70,000, which she had to take out to pay the bills, hydro, property taxes, groceries. The line of credit is now maxed out and they don't know what to do. She doesn't know what to do. They're all lost. She can't kick her son out. He's her son. What is she going to do? She can't afford to stay in this home. The bills, they're drowning her. And she's too proud to ask for the help that she needs. Now, my client doesn't know how to help her either. He has been talking to her, but he said to me, he says, Frank, she's sitting on $1 million and she's going broke. And that breaks my heart because it's not necessary. Because this isn't rare, guys. This is something that's happening a lot all over the GTA. People in their 70s are sitting on valuable homes, going broke because they don't know any other way. This is what they learned. While everyone else is getting excited about this market, they're sitting there paralyzed because they're scared. This is the forgotten generation. They worked their whole lives, paid into the system, built the equity, did everything right, put the kids through school, did it all, and now they're lost. No one is helping them. The banks, they're just going to give them lines of credit until they can't pay it back. Financial advisors, they won't touch real estate. Realtors, most can't help with the financial planning. So they sit there with $1 million asset, going broke, with no hope, no help, and not even knowing where to get started. They don't know who to trust. They can't trust anyone to guide them into their retirement that they dreamed of. And that is the tragedy of all this. They have everything they need to live their dream retirement, but nobody is showing them how they can do this. And here's the thing. Everyone knows that this is happening. It's all right there in front of us. But because we're so busy in our lives, we assume that if we don't hear from our parents, that everything is okay. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. They're not calling you because they're proud. They're not calling you because they don't want to be a burden. And they're not calling you because they just don't know that there's another option out there for them. So they just sit there quietly, going broke, hoping that something is going to change. Here's what I told him that he needs to do. She can sell that house. She can pay off that $70,000 line of credit. She can buy a small place up in Grey County, maybe something on the water in Collingwood, or even rent. Free up that money. Free up $500,000 if she wants to buy something. Free up the whole $1 million if she wants to be renting, and invest it at 4%. She could be between $20,000 and $40,000 a year of income coming back. $650 to $1,600 a month forever. She goes from drowning in her debt to having a monthly income, from stress to peace, from broke to the retirement that she deserves. And her son, he can figure it out. Because right now, he is not helping her, he's killing her. I've been doing this for 18 years as a realtor. As a financial advisor, been doing it for 32. I also do investment advice and I do your life insurance. And I have helped many, many families navigate this exact transition from being broke to moving on. This is the forgotten generation, but I have not forgotten these people. This is exactly who I help. People who worked their whole lives and deserve better than going broke in their own home, because I can handle every piece of it. The real estate, the financial advice, the investment advice, the insurance advice, licenses to sell all those products, everybody. One person, complete service from start to finish. And most importantly, someone that they can trust, somebody that they know is going to make sure that they are retiring, especially when you're making the biggest decision of your retirement life. My client's mother-in-law doesn't have to go broke. She doesn't have to be forgotten. She just needs someone to show her that path forward. Someone who sees her. Someone who cares. Someone she can trust. Now, if this is you or someone that you love, reach out. Let's talk. No pressure, no judgment, no sales pitch. Just a conversation about the options, about the hope, and about the retirement that you deserve. My name is Frank Hanlon. My direct number, 519-217-2170, or visit frankwealth.homes. This forgotten generation deserves the dream retirement, and I'm here to help them get it.